whole house, that she has only used the shapes. So you can see this one. So just now I've explained this one. So you can just observe that which kind of shape she has used for whole picture. Mostly she have used the shapes. So you can use most of the shapes only, even for the body, even umbrella, house, everything. And next one is done by Khadija. And she has not drawn, but she has used a chart paper and craft paper. And then she has, drawn, maybe she has drawn on that one, and then she has cut, and then she has stick this. You can also use craft paper, you can also stick like this. So you can see this car. So, Keshwari Fatima Bhendi Hasan, you tell me that which shape she has used in this car.
Uh, Ma'am, I tell you, rectangle
Can I
and
tell
circle.
Fatima Bahaj?
See, whose name I will say that student only. Then if she is not giving answer, the next name I will only say. Okay.
Red triangle and circle.
You can see here for the wheels also. And please mute the mic. Whoever's mic is this? Okay. Thank you. Mute your mic, everyone.
Ma'am, Zainab Kamaiko.
Means Zainab Gabrani.
No, ma'am. Not coming.
Then which Zainab Patel?
Zainab Patel.
हाँ Patel Zainab, mute your mic, please.
Have its mute. Mute.
हाँ. So this one you can see in this car she has used circle for the wheel, then for the windows triangle, and for upside roof and that half circle means semicircle, and these buildings, then this medical store, then here also there are two sellers for that. So she has only used shapes. So this is that activity. Okay, the activity is that you can draw anything using the pictures. The next one is done by Sadaf. So in this one also you can see that she has drawn the train. This one is train. For engine and for everything she has used only shapes. For the wheels, for the windows, and even this trees also. Upside that tree is a triangle, then that trunk is rectangle. Then this butterfly, so here she has used shapes only for the wings. So I'm just I will send you if you want personally. I'm planning to send you. But suppose if I'm not sending you, then you can just watch this video, then you can get the idea. But don't do the same way. Do something else. Try something else. And then also, if you are not getting any idea, then you can search also. Then this fish also you can see triangle. Then that in that one you can see grass also. Then these rocks also everything. Then this one was very difficult, I think, that the hands and that. Can you see how difficult it is? Is this difficult little bit as compared to that one or not?
Which one?
If we compare all the pictures, no, then here you can see this one is difficult to draw proper using the shapes and to draw hands and ears and everything. And even the distance is also very perfect. You can see distance between eyes, distance between here. These both also shape, both are same. You can see. So she has used different shapes for this also. Then this one, so she has not drawn, but she has used craft paper, and it's look like fox, right? Mouth
Yes.
also she has used that shape, and for body she has used pentagon, means which has 5 sides. Then now there are very simple one also, so that also I'm showing because I appreciate them also. But for the rank, you have to do something difficult, right? And I'm planning to give three rank. Then the train, then this one, and even there are few more also in which they have drawn for
Yes.
rocket and rocket using that shapes only. Then here also for planet she has used that circle only. So for mountain also you can use triangle and that. Now there is one more activity of place value which I am showing you. This one is very easy, it's not difficult. But difficult is that you will understand or not. So I'm just hoping that you will understand. So first of all you have to take this coloring strip. ऐसी पट्टी आती है ना, that one. But if you don't have this thin strip, then if you have any square or rectangular paper, any color, then you can just cut it. If you don't have these strips, then whichever craft paper you have, cut it and make this kind of strips. And you must have 6 strips because we are making 6-digit place value. This is place value activity. And wherever you have doubt, please stop me and ask me the question. I'm just starting, but in between, suppose if you have doubt, then you can ask me, excuse me, ma'am, I have doubt that way. So understood, no? What material you will need? This strip and that also 6. Why 6? Because we are making place value for 6-digit number. 6-digit number के लिए कर रहे हैं, इसलिए 6 strips होने चाहिए. Understood? These, this kind of strips. Yes.
हम अभी ये एक्टिविटी डन करनी है
I don't know why I'm not getting your voice. It's full, then also I'm not getting your voice properly.
हमें अभी ये एक्टिविटी करनी है
नहीं नहीं, I'm just explaining. After you will collect the material, I will give you 3 days time. Then you can do. Okay? Like you can just plan in 3 days. Okay, what you want to do that picture one activity also, and then you can do. Okay? I will give you enough time, but right now I'm just explaining. Right now you don't have to do because maybe you don't have this material. So how many strips you understood? No, 6 strips you will need. Okay, this way. Now I'm showing how you will arrange these strips, how you will stick it, everything. So you can see that 6 of the strips. This way you have to fold it and 6 parts this way. Understood, no? When you will open this way also 3 and that way also 3, means total 6 parts. That many time you have to fold this way. And any one end you have to stick it. Then now one strip you have to take and you have to fold. So that was first strip. I'm explaining again. This one is first strip. This you don't have to fold. खोल के ऐसे ही रखनी है ये वाली नीचे वाली सबसे नीचे वाली. Which one is the at last, no, at bottom? That strip you don't have to fold. Put it like this only. Now let's see the second strip. So in that second strip you have to fold one time. सिर्फ एक ही बार. You can see only one time you have to fold. Put it. Then next one 2 time fold. तीसरी स्ट्रिप है ना, चौथी स्ट्रिप 3 time fold. नेक्स्ट वन 4 time fold. दिस वन 4 time fold करना है.
What this want to do?
What?
Yes, we have to do.
You have to do, but whenever you will collect it all everything, whenever you will finish that activity, first one activity.
Okay, then 7 days agree.
And you can explain this, huh? You can make the video so that I can give the rank.
Okay.
ma'am,
Huh?
this is very easy. Activity,
What?
activity.
हाँ
अभी करने की है.
नहीं, आई विल गिव यू टाइम, आई विल गिव यू प्रॉपर डेट कि वो डेट से पहले मुझे दे देना. आई विल गिव यू डेट, बट आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग. हाँ
ये वीडियो है ना, स्कूल के ग्रुप में भेज देना.
हाँ इंशाल्लाह. As it is downloaded in my gallery now, so if it's possible I will send, but as it is more than 100 MB, maybe it's difficult. It is already more than 100 MB. I have downloaded this, that's why. This way you have to fold it, and again you have to open that, and in that inside that everything, no, there you have to write zeros. अंदर की साइड इसमें जीरो रखना है, जितने फोल्ड करके अंदर रखे हैं ना उसमें ही. If one fold, then 1 0. If two fold, then 2 0. If three time you have fold, then 3 0. In that all the three part. Here you have fold 4 time, right? So 4 0. Then again fold it. Then here 5, so 5 0. 5 0. Then again fold it. And then here you can write any number. 6-digit number. Huh? One digit here, other digit here, other digit here. This way. You can see 6 strip, this first strip, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 6 strips. So that's why we will write a 6-digit number, 1 digit on each strip. एक strip पे एक digit.
मैम,
Any number you can write, huh?
मैम,
Yes.
हम कोई भी कलर के कर सकते हैं या फिर यही?
Any color you can use, any strip you can use, or any number also you can write. Here they have write this number 7139442. So it is actually 7 lakh
मैम,
13,942. You can use any number, 6-digit number. Huh? This
मैम,
is
we have to use different colors only. We
हाँ हाँ
can't use
because then
same
you
color.
will then you will confuse. How you will show one digit, one place. Even you will write place also. See, I'm showing. We will write name of the places also in short. See, this one from right side, first place is which? Remember or forgot? Ones, no?
Number.
So O. Then next is 10. So T. Then after that,
100.
so H. Then,
1,000.
so TH. C.
And 10,000.
Then after that,
10,000.
so TTH. And after that,
Lakh.
nay, leg. So L. Understood no? How she has written the places, name of the places.
Ma'am.
Ones, tens,
Yes,
hundred,
ma'am.
that way. Then again, when you will open one place value, no? Like suppose if I want to know, okay, by 9 की place value क्या है? What do you think? What is the place value of 9?
1,000.
It is at
900.
hundreds place.
100.
900, right?
100.
900.
As it is at hundreds place, 900. So when you will open that, no? So you will get 20, means 900. It will be visible. So first place value of this 4. 4 की place value 40. Then place value of 9. So now again she will open the whole strip. So 900.
हाँ, समझ में आ गया.
Then again place value of this 3. What do you think? It is at thousands place.
1,000 please.
So what is the place value of 3?
3,000.
1,000.
3000. 3000. So
3,000.
let's see. ये 3000 आता है. Now again she is opening 3000. Understood?
Yeah.
This way whenever you will open you will get the
Yes,
place
ma'am.
value.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Then again it is at 10,000 place. So what is the place value of that one? 10,000 place. 10,000, right? See,
Yes.
10,000.
It's 10,000.
Then this
7 lakh.
one 7. It is at Lex place, so 7 lakh,
7.
which has 50, right?
No.
So this is its place value, 7 lakh.
Lakh.
So understood this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then whenever like if you want to rank, then you will make video. Then whenever you make video, so you can explain also like this, that this is the number. If you want to find the place value of this, then we can open this strip and we will get its place value 900. That way you can explain. Understood?
This exercise is too easy.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now today, how much is the time? 9:51. So only 15 minutes are left. So that's why I'm not starting new chapter, but I'm giving two options. You write in the chat box whichever you want to do. I'm showing that option.
नहीं ना मैम,
हाँ.
फेसबुक को चेक करने की बाकी है.
I remember, but now I don't want to check Facebook because it's take too much of time. So I'm just telling you to send me photo, full PDF.
मैम मैंने
हाँ.
तो सेंड कर दिया. फातिमा बाहर
हाँ.
चला.
हाँ. Good. So now only 15 minutes are left. That's why I'm showing two options, whichever you want to do. I'm first opening that and then I'm showing. And in after that also, if you have any doubt in the activity, you can ask me in the message, WhatsApp message.
Okay, please send this chat in the group.
If possible, I will send this video also and that first PPT also which I have sent you. And tell in the chat box no that don't stop.
मैम
Ma'am is asking no, that's why.
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर लें.
No, no, don't stop. I'm showing you options. Okay, which one do you want to do? So write in the chat box only. So one option is this one. Okay, have you played this game before? कभी खेली है ये वाली game?
मैम वी ऑल वांट टू डू एक्टिविटी.
That activity, no, which I have shown you.
यस मैम.
After you will collect the material and that again I will explain you so that you can do with me. But I guess right now you don't have material, right?
वी हैव.
You have, but other student I don't think so they have.
I have.
So again I will send the video also and this video will be also uploaded, no?
मैम
So
ऑल
you can. You all have? I don't think so. How many girls have?
आई हैव.
Ma'am, and touch me.
I don't have.
I have this one, Fatima.
Okay. Okay. I guess two girls have.
इट्स 4
Excuse
गर्ल्स
me.
मैम.
This activity video you will send in a group, fifth standard group.
In group this video will be uploaded ना. आज का lecture का video आएगा. So in that I have already shown no. So there you can open today's maths lecture video.
की है कभी करने की है.
I will give you date. Before that you can send me. Okay. And whenever you have easy paper at the on that day also you can do. Today you have science, I guess. Then which how many papers are left?
Ma'am, two papers.
Which?
That today is science.
हाँ.
Today is science and tomorrow is Gujarati and SS.
Okay.
3 पेपर्स.
Then I'm giving four days or 5 days. I will tell you the date. Okay. Before that you can send me.
ओके.
So I'm giving two options for 15 minutes because right now I guess 20 minutes are left for the lecture. So this one is this activity, means this game. And I'm explaining the game also. कैसे करना है. So in this you can see there are so many white boxes here. And your numbers are also given 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. So these are the questions. Like suppose let's solve only. The first question is this one. So now I'm saying the names. Miza. Miza, are you present? Miza.
Yes,
Baloch.
ma'am.
Baloch Miza, you tell me the answer of this first one. 400 plus 30 plus 2.
Okay, ma'am.
400 plus 30 plus 2. Misa, do you know the answer? It's very easy. You have to add these three.
432.
Yes, ma'am.
432.
432.
So the same answer we can write wherever number 1 is given. And as the heading is across, no, we have to write sleeping there. Answer ऐसे sleeping में लिखना है. और इसके आंसर ऊपर से नीचे down. So let's answer write the answer of this 432. And one by one we will solve this one. We will write the answer in this, like the answer of 4 we will write wherever 4 is written. 6, so wherever 6 is written. 7, wherever 7 is written. Understood the game?
No, ma'am. I
Oh,
don't understand.
the answers first we have to solve these questions, right?
Okay.
So this is the question कि
Yeah.
400 plus 30 plus 2. तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
132.
432. So that answer where we will write?
Ma'am, I
जहाँ पे
got it.
one number लिखा हो. This is first question, no? That's why I will write answer of 1 only. Okay?
Okay. हाँ.
And answer of all this we will write in sleeping way only. Answer of 4 तो 4 कहाँ है? Here. This way. 6 तो यहाँ पे आंसर लिखेंगे. Okay? We have to solve and then we have to see कि answer कहाँ लिखेंगे. Okay?
हाँ.
This is first one. And the other option is this one. In this one, one situation is given and you have to decide. Two shops are given beside supermarket, and they will show us situation. You have to solve it. So
Ma'am,
write in the chat box. Write in the chat box whichever you want to do. This addition, subtraction, story, or that puzzle one. Which one? Okay, write in the chat box. And Bajaj Fatima then count and tell me. Bajaj Fatima कि भाई कितनों ने क्या बोला.
Okay, ma'am. मैम मैंने और मीजा ने एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन बोला.
What?
मैंने और मीजा ने एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन की ये वाली पजल स्टोरी बोली है. मरियम बोडी वाला और मातवानी मुहद्दिसा फिर इंशिया बोहरा ने बोला है कि पजल करनी है.
Okay. So 3 puzzle, 2 this. Now let's wait for their answer. Other girls write your opinion, whichever you want to do. In my way, there are so many girls who are not interested every time, even not reading. Whenever I ask
नया
them, I
सकीना ने
call
भी
them.
पजल बोला.
कौन सी?
नया नहीं सकीना. कुलसुम
Okay.
जहरा ने भी पजल बोला.
Okay.
पठान जहरा बनो एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन बोला.
Okay.
नीदा राजानी ने कहा एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन.
Okay.
मैम और पठान जरा बानू ने भी कहा एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन।
हाँ
नया नितकिना ने भी कहा, अब एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन उसने कहा, पहले पजल बोला था,
हाँ
अब एडिशन।
ओके 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 okay. So according to time we are doing this one, and I guess there are so many majority also. So that
हाँ
puzzle I will explain you later. I guess that puzzle I guess you understood how to solve now. What are the rules and that. So we will
हाँ
solve together only that puzzle and few more
सब
puzzle I
एडिशन
will give in it. Huh. So now in this addition subtraction story, there is one situation that in middle you can see supermarket is there, and beside that there are some shops. And even in Bhavnagar also there are so many area where mostly this kind of shops are only there. Particularly there are markets where so many shops are there. Here only two shops are there, and where we will go and see. So one first one is vegetable and fruit shop, and here this lady is there. Means the name of this girl is Mini, and she is selling fruit and vegetable. So now let's see how many vegetables she has. So you can see this much vegetable she has. But do you remember KG and G full form? Say together. KG means
मैम
केजी
केजी
मीन्स
मीन्स
किलोग्राम
किलोग्राम
and
and
जी ग्राम।
केजी मीन्स किलोग्राम, जी मीन्स ग्राम।
hmm.
केजी मीन्स किलोग्राम and जी मीन्स ग्राम।
Okay, very good. It means you remember. And even it depends on the that shop also. If they have more space, more investment, then they have more vegetable. It means whichever thing they are buying, whichever product. So this girl has two things, vegetable and fruit. She sells these two things. Now let's see the about the fruit also. So here it is given about fruit. So 23 kg, 23 kg and 430 gram of fruit. So now let's see the question. This is the situation. Now question will be presented to us, and we will see the question also, that what is the question. This is situation. Now this is the question. So Qureshi Fatima is present. Qureshi Fatima. Qureshi Fatima.
Can I read
Qureshi
Fatima?
Fatima.
अच्छा
Wait, I am only
मैम
saying the name. Qureshi Fatima. Okay. Nayani Sakina. Nayani Sakina. Nayani Sakina, you just have to read this. At least for reading take part. Okay. Pathan Zehra. Pathan Zehra Banu.
Yes ma'am.
Huh. Do you want to read this?
Yes ma'am. Minnie
Read.
was Minnie
Has.
Minnie
Has.
has 25 kilogram 50 550 gram of vegetables and 30, 23 kilogram to 430 gram of fruits. What is the total weight of the fruits and vegetables she was has?
Huh. She has. So you can see the name of that girl who was selling vegetable and fruit. Her name is Minnie. So Minnie has 25 kg and 550 gram of vegetable and even fruit also. 23 kg and 430 gram of fruit. So here weight of both the things are given separately. But what is the question that we have to find total weight? Total means dono ka. Total weight of both the things, fruits also and vegetables, but together. So what do you think? You can say together. What do you think? What we have to do? Addition or subtraction? Any one
Addition.
thing.
एडिशन
Okay.
Addition.
Other girls.
Addition.
Hmm. Okay. Let's see. So here, as we have to find total, no?
मैम
Whenever
ये
we have to
अनुज
find total
बालवान
of
ने
something.
स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट की है।
What happened?
अनुज बालवान ने
We are
स्क्रीन
is
प्रेजेंट की। मैम एडिशन।
Means Suhana is presented, right?
Yes, ma'am. Suhana Balwan is presented. Please.
Suhana don't present. So here you can see they are highlighting both the things, that weight of both the things are given separately, and we have to find total weight. So wherever we have to find total of something, so we use addition, right? That property. So in different situation we use different application, whether addition, whether subtraction. So here we will use addition. So have rupees and paise. Suppose rupees and paise, two things are given. So we give two headings, right? We write like this. So same way, whenever kg, g, both the things are given, kilogram and gram. So we have to give two headings and we have to write separately. Then we can add. So this way you can arrange the number. Now you can do this one in rough book and then write your name in the chat box if you want to say. But first finish in rough book, honestly. Bora, Inshia is present today or she is absent? Inshia, are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Your doubt is clear, no? Yesterday you sent me that. In that table, first I had
Yes,
written
ma'am.
5, but then I just made it 6 because by mistake I've written 5 there. That's why it was looking like that.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Even sometime whenever you have this kind of questions, so you can use textbook also, because textbook PDF also I have sent, no? Do you have textbook or something?
मैम नोट ऐसे बोल
No, no, I am saying the names.
नो
And I
मैम।
guess and just now for reading this I have called two students. I guess I called Quresh Fatima also and that Nayan Sakina also. But they didn't give me answer. So may I ask, whenever I call for at least reading, why you don't give me answer?
Can I give answer Fatima Bahajat?
नहीं नहीं, फर्स्ट आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम ऑल द गर्ल्स कि शर्म आती है रीड करने में, कि डर लगता है, कि फिर नाश्ता करते हो, क्या करते हो, दैट यू डोंट नेवर रिप्लाई. देयर आर फ्यू गर्ल्स हु नेवर रिप्लाई. Okay, let's see the answer only directly, how they are doing. So first we will highlight all the digits and normally we start from the right side only, right? So 0 plus 0, you can say together, 0. Then
0,
5 plus 3,
8, 8,
8,
8. 5 plus
9,
4,
9,
9, 8, 9.
so this is the answer of that gram. Okay, now we will see that kg, kilogram, this part. 5 plus 3,
8,
8,
8, 8, 4,
2 plus
4,
2.
4,
Yes, so
4,
this is the answer. 48 kg means kilogram and 980 gram. Now it's 10:10, so the video we'll see afterward. So just tomorrow share your ideas regarding that if you have planned about that activity. If you have any plan, then you can share. Okay, and if you have already think, then also you can share right now. But I'm giving at least a few days that you can plan also that which picture you want to make using shapes So you can share your idea with me, then I will give you suggestions also,
Ma'am,
and
I'll
then you
send
can.
you.
Okay, you can ask me personally through my WhatsApp, and but don't send a voice message, huh? Because sometimes it's hard